like Clark, I can't stop. Fuck around, make my 40 pop. No popcorn, I pop pistols. Reaming my body, clothing no issue. Bitch, you look sick, you need a tissue. You drop a body, I just might bless you.
Easy claps. Easy. I really want to pick up the phone for this nigga. I guess, bro. Hello? Yo, me and Rodney outside right now. You capping, swear. I swear, fool. Come outside. I bet I'm finna ask.
A few moments later.
Mom.
Damn, boy, what? What do you want?
If I go outside?
You can go outside, but if it's raining, you cannot take your ass outside. I repeat, if it's raining, don't go out there.
But you know the weather kind of...
Oh, so you just want to ass with me?
Never mind. Let's check what outside looking like. Wow, bro. Wow.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they never understand.
Hello? 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 Yeah, bro. I can't come outside, fool. Bro, what you mean? Bro, I'd rather not say. I just can't come outside. Man, spill the beans, nigga. Like, come on. It's just raining outside. It's not funny. Nah, fool, that's... Alright, bro. It's kind of...
For a night, so you don't wanna wait on me. I'm about to catch my flight, so you don't gotta wait on me. No, you don't wanna